Here we are then into the sitting room. Bed settee there. Kettle, new telephone. Bit of a notice here. As these are apartments, reason it's saying that is there's people next door. There's the connecting door. Double beds, two beds pushed together in fact. Got wall lights, a lit up picture frame. Bit of a nice touch that. Nice big mirror, full length. I'll be going to the bathroom. Got your hairdryer, sink, lovely and clean. Toilet, again, very clean. Now there's a little notice on the wall. Please do not flush toilet paper, feminine hygiene products, baby wipes or paper towels. And there's your towels. Changed every day. And just one word about the cleaners. They don't come into your apartment on a Fridays for some reason. That's the only day they don't come in. When they do come in, they do a thorough job. Your shower head there. And there's a little hand-held shower. Again, very clean. Got your mirror there as well. Nice big mirror in the bathroom. As you see it, hairdryer. Working, brilliant. Plenty of cupboard space. Sliding doors as well. Spare bedding. Automatic interior light comes on when you open the doors. Charging points. Your normal European 2-point power joint. What you've got scattered around the sitting room and the bedroom is USB chargers as well. Yeah, got pictures on the wall, as I say, nicely decorated. Large screen TV in the sitting room area, or the second bedroom, whatever you want to call it. Second big screen TV, and that one is in the main bedroom. There's the air conditioning. Don't know whether you can hear that. Oh, it's working fully. Now it's not controlled by a switch on the wall. It's via this thing, this remote control. That's for your air conditioning. Back into the sitting room again. Very well decorated. Haven't found any problems, no scuff marks. Now because this turns into a double bed, if you've got more guests in this room, there's only 2 of us at the moment, but I believe it sleeps 4. That turns into a double bed. This becomes a bedroom, and there's your other space for the other guests. Very well presented. The telephone there for reception. Go back outside. You got your table, 4 chairs. That's your patio area. There are your palm trees. Now in this block there's 3 apartments. And this is your view. Because they're just apartment blocks, then you're not going to get a sea view. We're quite a bit away from the sea, we're quite inland. So if you are coming to the Rio Playa Blanca in Lanzarote, this is what you can expect. There's no hotel on site, just these apartments. Thanks for watching. See you soon.